The chief purpose of scientific training is to find truth. And whenever you find truth, you find the science. Ye shall know truth, and the truth shall make you free.
You should be driven every day. You should not have no ounce of self-consciousness about expressing your ancestry. You have direct access to them because you are them. You are them. You are them. Get that. Let that sink in. You are them. You are them. You are them. You are them. Make things right in your own unique way. And if everybody focused on that, don't you know that global change would happen? As it already is, because that's happening. That's what's happening. We are in the midst of one of the greatest spiritual and ancestral awakenings we have known. We're in the midst of it. You're a part of it. You're a part of it.